Your hair stores information over time. So unlike a blood test or a urine test, which is a snapshot of what's going on in the body in that moment, and it changes from 1 hour to the next, a hair sample holds information. So when you take a hair sample, it's showing you what's been happening in the body for the last 3 to 6 months. And so we can get a much greater view on what's going on in the body and maybe where shifts need to be made. The minerals that show up in your hair tell us about how your body's metabolizing stress and how your body is creating energy. I can look at your hair and see how your nervous system is responding to life. When we take a hair sample, so we're taking the first inch of hair. It's about a gram of hair in total that we're submitting to the laboratory, but it's only from it's that area closest to your scalp. And so I want you to take about 5 different locations off of the top of your head and cut the entire strand. You can take, as small or as big as you want, but I like to do 5 different locations, and I'll usually take about this much. And what I do is I take 2 from above my right ear, 2 from above my left ear, and 1, maybe 2 if needed, from behind my scalp. So we want to use hair that has not been dyed or treated because that can alter the results. I recommend you waiting 24 hours after washing your hair, and I'll also ask you for what kind of shampoo you use because certain dandruff shampoos and different shampoos can affect the mineral results. So I'll just get you to put that information on the envelope. So in your hair test kit, you will have 2 of these sheets, 2 of these little envelopes, 1 hair scale, and 2 of these envelopes with the laboratory's address on it. And what I want you to do is first and foremost, fill out the patient information. Make sure you specify what shampoo or other hair preparations that you use. If you have any dyes, if you use any shampoo, just put it there because it can alter the results. And what I want you to do is either yourself or someone else's help, use some stainless steel scissors if you have them, and just go around your head and cut the first inch like up and around my ear and underside of my neck.
Yeah.
And you only want the first inch.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'll put my hair up. You're gonna cut as close to the scalp as you can. You're gonna take that whole strand off. You're gonna just take the first inch, so the first inch closest to your head, and you're gonna put that on the scale. Right? And as you put your hair on the scale, it will eventually tip. And then you know that you have enough hair. And then you're gonna take that hair and you're gonna put it in this little envelope here that came in your kit. You're gonna write down what kind of shampoo you use, and then you're gonna take the hair sample, put it in this other envelope along with your filled out sheet. And those 3 things are gonna get shipped to the laboratory, and once it arrives at the laboratory, I will have the test results within 5 days. So I've sent 2, so 1 to take right now, and then another 1 to take in 3 months. And then we can see what's happening in your hair over time, okay? Many blessings.